Where will our journey take us? What will be that place where we say, "This is it. This is where we wanted to arrive"? It isn't one place or destination. It isn't one project or goal. It is a vision. A vision to build superhighways in the sky. Together, we progress to the edges of excellence, embracing every task, every obstacle, every opportunity, with a spirit of confidence. Fueled by the energy, vision, and support of our leaders, ready to meet the future with optimism. Challenges come from home and abroad. But our ambitions drive us to surge even higher. Surging with the best that technology can offer. Consistently raising the benchmark of quality to help us serve and welcome millions more. Together, we will not just face the future. We will meet it.